Hello, welcome to the Rainforest Cafe, Canada. We're going to have a lunch today, and hopefully you'll join us. We're going to have loin burger. It's absolutely raw. And what's the missing boy is what's your name today? Ryan, nice to meet you. And what you going to do for today, Ryan? What you going to do for today? To us for today?
What am I going to do?
You're looking absolutely lovely today, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm ready to just you got me. I'm going to take a video about this place to show my brother.
Alright, there you go. Ta-ta. Ta-ta.
So that's the waterfall, like a fountain. So this whole place is like trees and stuff. It's very like wild, like nature, you know. They've got animals. So that's like a parrot. That's a hippo. That's another parrot. There's a gorilla there or a monkey. There's a zebra in the far corner. I'll come and zoom at it later. See? It's a beautiful, beautiful place. There's a snake there and a moving butterfly. The snake also moves, so we'll just wait for it to move now. It moves its head and puts its tongue out. They also have a shark. That's a fish tank. And the shark is not there. Where did he go? Oh, the shark has moved for the day. Alright, let's get to the shark. I have to chase this shark around. I'll look where the shark is. So that's a real shark, by the way, guys. Some fish. So the school of fish is swimming, and it's a white tip shark. And this is where all the parents spend the money. I'll show you guys. This is what I got you, Zach and Adam. That's what I got you, Zach and Adam. Anyway, that's not important. I can go now. This is the entrance. Look how magnificent it is. A lot of work. This is the bar. So these are actual seats with their tails. So that's where you can have a drink if you're not going to dine. Obviously not alcohol, but anyway. So all those parents out there, don't think I had alcohol. And that's actual water. It's like a waterfall kind of thing between the bar and the restaurant. You can't see it. It's dark, but it's a waterfall. That's my husband over there sitting waiting for the food. There's a fish tank, another one in the middle of the restaurant. This is big. Doesn't have a shark, but he has nice fish. See? This one doesn't move at all. It just stays there. It's kind of a bit today. The fish here, they're very colourful and big. Oh, look like there's some gorillas. They usually move, but I don't know why they're not moving. Move. It's so scary. Look at its face. It's like it's real. my god, this movie. It's another bird. It's like you're in a jungle. Hat Allah. See, that's all the trees from the sky. Some birds there, and this is the ceiling of stars. It's absolutely amazing, I reckon. It's fabulous. See, that's another monkey in the head. Fly. A parrot up there. And my dear friend giraffe. And all these animals have names, which I don't know, obviously. It's scary if I knew, actually. And these are my other friends, the elephants. They're really funny. They do a show too. But I think we missed it. I think it's like every hour or something. If you touch these, they're very soft. Look, let's go try. Oh, look, they're going to start our show. Let's try getting ready. Zach and Adam, I hope you guys watch this. So I'll move to the small one over here. Look, I'm actually patting it and it's very, you know, rubbery. So the person that did this is absolutely a genius. A very creative mind. So we've got some parrots and the hippo that's hungry, which I'm not eating lunch obviously. And we've got some more gorillas here. So this is a tribal leader, I guess, because he's holding his stick. They also did a small show, which they're not doing it now, unfortunately. For us, let's wait a few seconds, see if they'll do it. I think they have to add a bit of lights here. It's the butterfly that moves. Very pretty. The other side of the fish tank. The gorillas. And that's my tour for you guys. And that's Yusuf over there.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed this day, your adventure. Come back again. Goodbye.